Back to 59 News this morning. I'm meteorologist Mike Slifer. We've got one final check out here live at the toll booth in Gent, and the snow hasn't started up just yet. You heard meteorologist Alita Donnelly talking about how the snow is just off to our west, starting to blow up a bit and make its way towards us. What we are dealing with is cold temperatures. Temperatures have been dropping steadily over the last 2 hours. As we get closer to that freezing point, you can start to assume that anything that looks wet on the roads is frozen. The Department of Highways has been out and salting the roads. Traffic is still moving all right now, but give yourself plenty of time to get to your destinations. As you get later into the day, you'll notice the roads will get slick. All it takes is a little bit of snow to really make things slippery outside, and that is exactly what we are expecting once we get later into the morning. Combine that with the fact that the temperatures are dropping and the winds are picking up, blowing snow becomes a concern, along with wind chills. It's going to get colder out this afternoon, so just make sure you're prepared for that. Grab the shovels, grab the hats, grab the gloves, grab the winter coat, layer up as much as you can. I've got about 5 layers on myself right now, just trying to keep warm out here, and every time a gust of wind comes in, you can just feel that colder air starting to settle in all around us, and that's all out ahead of the snow. We're watching the clouds build off to our west as we speak too. So we'll send it into meteorologist Alita Donnelly now. She's nice and warm in the studio, and she has the latest on exactly what to expect and when. Alita?
Hey Mike, I hope you're staying warm out there as we are seeing those temperatures fall. It was in the 40s to start off your morning this morning. Unfortunately, those temperatures have moved down into the 30s, and when you factor in that wind chill, it feels about 10 degrees colder than it does right now with the temperatures. So it feels like it's 31 in Beckley and Oak Hill, also in Princeton, 30 in Bluefield, 38 in Lewisburg, so not too bad in Lewisburg, 33 in Raynell. So definitely a cold start to your morning as you will be wanting to bundle up on your way out the door. Now, Storm Tracker 59 HD Dual Live Doppler radar showing that we are starting to see those snow showers moving in towards the Mountain State, and some of us in the northern panhandle are seeing those snow showers in the area, but we will be monitoring this as we see that snow showers moving in between 7 and 9 a.m. And that's why we are going to see a winter weather advisory go into effect at 7 as we'll be looking for blowing snow, significant snowfall, and well, you're going to need to break out those shovels as we do head later into the day. Now for your morning commute, slippery with some delays, then we'll see those wet and slick roads as you get ready to head out the door. Gusty winds are also in the area, causing bitter cold wind chills as we do head later into your Tuesday. Well, how much snow are we looking at for today and into early tomorrow? 1 to 2 inches for many, 2 to 4 are starting to head into the higher elevations, and in the highest elevations, 4 to 6 inches. So some of us may end up seeing about half a foot of snow, but everyone is going to be seeing at least a dusting this morning and throughout your Tuesday. Once the snow moves through, then we start to see that bitter cold Arctic air moving in as well. So Mercer, Summers, Monroe, Greenbrier, and Pocahontas County, Tazewell, as well as parts of Fayette and also Nicholas County, will be seeing a wind chill advisory go into effect at 4 o'clock this afternoon. We'll be seeing single digits wind chills and also some of us sub-zero wind chills. So definitely cold as we head into your Wednesday morning. Those upslope snow showers start to break off as we do head into the afternoon, but widespread snow in the morning. Once we get into the evening though, that's where we start to see some of these snow squalls forming and lingering around. Once you wake up tomorrow morning though, the snow will be coming to an end and will be quiet across the area for most of your Wednesday. By the time we reach the evening though, we will start to see some more snow moving back into the forecast as we'll see snow moving in for your Thursday morning. So we are going to see that wet start across the area as we head into your Thursday morning, but we do clear up as we head into the afternoon. A high of 33 degrees today, 25 tomorrow, then 36 on Thursday, 32 on Friday, and then we'll be seeing 43 for Saturday. So if you're not a fan of the snow, we will be seeing that snow coming to an end quickly on Friday and melting. 46 on Sunday and 40s for next week.
All right, Alita, thank you. Well, make sure you stay safe out on those roads.